are going to discuss the way of finding limits by avoiding 0 power 0 or infinity power 0 formats. As we know, 0 power 0 is an indeterminate form, whereas infinity power 0 is also an indeterminate form. So just we will find limits by avoiding these indeterminate forms, specifically 0 power 0. So 0 power 0, infinity power 0, in the sense the base is tending to 0, the power is also tending to 0. Base and power both are tending to 0. Okay, as well, base is tending to infinity, power is tending to 0. In these two cases, the value is indeterminate, and by avoiding that indeterminate form, using, I am mentioning here, using logarithms. Actually, logarithms helps us to solve, to overcome this situation. Okay, using logarithms, just by avoiding these indeterminate forms, we will find the limit values. So before that, you need to get an idea regarding this. Okay, first of all, the base is tending to 0 and the power is fixed value, which is 0. Observe it. Power is fixed value 0, whereas the base is tending to 0. Since the base is tending to 0, in the sense base is not 0. Base is something more than 0 or something less than 0. So base is something more than 0 or less than 0 to the power 0. So anything power 0 will give us 1. So if the power is fixed like 0, then the value is 1. In the same way, if the base is 0 and power is tending to 0, here base is fixed 0, no change in the base. That base is not a variable, that is a fixed constant 0. Whereas the power is tending to 0, that means the power is something more than 0 or something less than 0. So 0 power any such quantity is just 0. Okay, you just observe these two. If both base and power are changing, if both base and power are tending to 0, then in that case it leads us an indeterminate form to avoid use logarithms. Or otherwise, if only one thing is changing, then that's not an indeterminate form. You will get either 1 or 0. So based on that, I will generate these two limits. You just observe. Limit x tends to 0, 0 power x. What is this? Limit x tends to 0, 0 power x, in the sense the base 0 is already fixed. Okay, this x and the limit is not affecting the base, it is just affecting the power. Since the base is fixed like 0, the power we need to change according to the limit. So 0 power anything is 0, the value is 0. Whereas here limit x tends to 0, x power 0. Here the power is fixed like 0. This limit and x is not affecting the power, but we need to change the base x according to the limit. We need to change the base, and to the power 0 is always 1. Okay, right. And now you just think about this particular problem. Limit x tends to 0, x power x. Here the base is tending to 0, it is changing. The power is also x, which is also tending to 0, which is also changing. In that case, limit x tends to 0, x power x is an indeterminate form if you directly substitute 0. Then to avoid that indeterminate form, we need to go for some logical trick, and that logical trick is just by logarithms. Okay, likewise, see, limit x tends to 0, 1 by tan x to the power x. When you directly substitute x with 0, this base is tending to infinity, power is 0, just like of this format. In the same way, limit x tends to 0, x power sin x. Base is tending to 0, power is also tending to 0. So just once again I will explain for you at the end. If both power and the base are changing, if both are tending to zeros, then it directly results as indeterminate form to avoid use logarithms. Or otherwise, if only one thing is fixed and one thing is changing, then there is a chance to give you the answer. Right. Now leave about the discussion. Just pay attention on the way of finding limit x tends to 0, x power x. Okay. So now limit x tends to 0, x power x. Just one problem is enough to solve all the problems of the model. Okay, just think about it. Limit x tends to 0, x power x. Okay, now what I do is, just we discussed in the previous case, I will use a general law of logarithm. What is that? Yeah, a is equals to e to the power logarithm of a base e. You just identify it. A is equals to e to the power log a base e. Since these both are e's, then this value is equals to a. With that particular idea, I will write it like this. Limit x tends to 0, e power logarithm of x power x base e. Just very simple, just have a look. This x power x is simply nothing but e power log x power x base e. And then send this x here. So this is equals to limit x tends to 0 e power, sending this x here, x into log x to the base e. Okay, and now see this e power x log x base e. This e is basically a constant, so send this limit to the numerator. So this is equals to e power limit x tends to 0 x into log x to the base e. Now what to say about that limit x tends to 0 x into log x base e value? So here you need to find out the limit. So when you directly replace x with 0, this is 0 and log 0 is not defined. Then how to solve this particular situation? Just observe it once again. Limit x tends to 0 x power x we are finding. Limit x tends to 0 e power log x power x base e. Send x this side, x into log x base e. So since this e is a constant, send this limit to the power. So e power limit x tends to 0 x into log x to the base e. Okay. I will arrange these questions and I will give you once again if required. Okay. So just avoid this also. And now this is e power limit x tends to 0 log x to the base e divided by 1 by x. Is there anything wrong? Just observe it. See, this base e is a constant. Okay, keep it aside. And the power is what? Limit x tends to 0 log x base e by 1 by x. And this is equals to e power limit x tends to 0. Direct replacement of x with 0 gives you infinity. Okay, yeah, thus initial classes I mentioned you log x base e as extending to 0 is minus infinity. This is minus infinity, this is infinity. Minus infinity by infinity is an indeterminate form. So to avoid it, use L'Hospital's rule. Once again I am explaining for you. For this part of limit, it gives you an indeterminate form of infinity by infinity. So to avoid it, use L'Hospital's rule. So now using L'Hospital's rule, okay, limit x tends to 0, derivative of this numerator log x base e is 1 by x. Okay, derivative of log x base e is 1 by x. Then what is the derivative of denominator 1 by x? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So that is 1 by x. This is minus 1 by x square. Then if you simplify e power limit x tends to 0, how can you solve it? This is simply nothing but minus x. What to say? X square by 1. So this is minus x. Now replace x with 0. So this is e power minus 0, simply 0, and the value is 1. At the end, limit x tends to 0, x power x value is 1. So how we solve it? Just by using logarithms. So first of all, replace x power x with e power log x power x base e. Then send this x here. So x log x base e. Then send limit to the power. So e power limit x tends to 0 x log x base e. And here just rewrite this as log x base e by 1 by x. Now when if you apply limit for this power, it is in the form of infinity by infinity, which is indeterminate. So use the L'Hospital's rule. So derivative of numerator is 1 by x, derivative of denominator is minus 1 by x square. And on solving this, you will get it as minus x, and your answer at the end is 1. Just have a look. Here one more thing. Here limit x tends to 0, x power x value, I found it as 1. Whereas if anybody asks you to find limit x tends to infinity x power x, what will happen? Limit x tends to infinity x power x in the sense infinity by infinity, and that is equals to infinity. Okay, no problem in that situation. Infinity by infinity means multiplying unknown quantities for unknown number of times will give us again an unknown quantity, and that is clearly infinity. Okay, so limit x tends to 0, x power x value is 1. Okay, but direct replacement is 0 power 0, which is indeterminate, and that's why we need to proceed the complete steps. Whereas if limit x tends to infinity x power x, and that is again infinity. Okay, no problem, right? I will give you one more problem in this situation. I am erasing this. Now instead of the same logic, instead of x power x, if anybody asks you to find limit x tends to 0 x power sin x, what will happen? Just observe it. If you are trying to find limit x tends to 0 x power sin x, so this is sin x. Okay, if you replace x with 0, again it is 0 power 0, and that's why since it is x power sin x, replace here with sin x, and replace this x with sin x. So replace this x with sin x. So sin x into log x base e. So log x base e divided by 1 by sin x. Log x base e divided by 1 by sin x. Then what will happen? Then how to do? See, derivative of log x base e is what? 1 by x. And derivative of 1 by sin x is minus 1 by sin square x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, 1 by x divided by minus 1 by sin square into cos x. Now when you rewrite it, how can you become? E power limit x tends to 0 minus sin square x divided by x into cos x you will get. Just observe it very carefully. And this is equals to e power limit x tends to 0 minus sin x by x into sin x into 1 by cos x. This sin x by x as extending to 0 is 1. This 1 by cos x as extending to 0 is 1. But this sin x as extending to 0 is 0. So this is equals to e power 0 and the value is 1. Okay. See, always there may be a difference in some cases, okay, but in most of the cases we will get that limit x tends to 0, x power sin x value is 1. Actually, as extending to 0, the function itself is not defined. 0 power 0 is indeterminate. Okay, for these type of special functions, the exact importance of limits arises. Actually, the function is not defined at 0, but as x is tending to 0, this x power sin x is tending to 1. And the way of finding that limit is this one, okay, using logarithms and by using L'Hospital's rule. Okay, have a look. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by tan x to the power x. Again, as x is tending to 0, this base is tending to infinity and the power is tending to 0, infinity power 0 format. Again, use logarithms to solve this particular problem. So, very carefully just observe. This is equals to limit x tends to 0. The way of writing is very important, okay. E power logarithm of 1 by tan x to the power x base e. E power logarithm of 1 by tan x to the power x base e. Now send x here. So, this is equals to limit x tends to 0. If you send x here, e power x into logarithm of 1 by tan x base e. Okay, and logarithm of 1 by tan x base e is simply nothing but what? Log 1 minus log tan x, is it right? Or otherwise tan x to the power minus 1, you may write it right there. Tan x to the power minus 1 is simply nothing but minus will also come this side, minus x log tan x. Okay, so this is equals to limit x tends to 0 e power, this 1 by tan x is tan x to the power minus 1 and send minus 1 again out. So it will become minus x logarithm of tan x to the base e. So now limit to the power. So this is equals to e power limit x tends to 0, yeah, logarithm of tan x to the base e divided by minus 1 by x. Okay, now again apply limits. This is equals to e power. When you directly apply limit, the denominator is infinity as well numerator is also infinity. Okay, so and that's why you just use L'Hospital's rule. Derivative of log 1 by tan x is logarithm, for logarithm 1 by tan x, whereas what is the derivative of tan x? Derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x divided by, what is the derivative of minus 1 by x? Minus 1 by x is 1 by x square. And limit x tends to 0 is already there. Now you just try to simplify. As x is tending to 0, this secant square x value is 1 because cos 0 is 1, secant 0 is 1 and x square will come that side. So e power limit x tends to 0 x square by tan x, and this x square by tan x can be written as x by tan x into x. As x is tending to 0, this value is 1, that value is 0, so e power 0, the value is 1. So in most of the cases, limit x tends to 0, 1 by tan x to the power x, sin x power x power x, all these values are tending to 1 only. But direct substitution, direct calculating is not okay here, okay. So and that's why we are moving with this process. Have a look.